Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. You need to start by opening Messages app. Following that, select one of your chats and click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Files category. Now you can select them from here right away. Tap on one of those apps or click on Filters above, Audio and Videos. You can also tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of your sources. I will go with audio. Now hold one of your files that you wish to add, in my case this one. When you're ready, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!